welcome back to the boat. And what a amazing day it is, because we just got informed that we've got 2,000 subscribers now. 2,000. I can't believe that many of you watch me. I'm just an idiot to have taken on a big project. But you know what, it's pretty cool though. 2,000 subscribers and we've got the boat coming together. That's pretty exciting to me. All of our deck panels are now down and glued, ready for us to just do some filler and fiberglass over. So that's great. Today we're going to fiberglass this section, and I've got, oh, we'll go get it. Should have grabbed it before. Take our rubbish away. Beam. Not too heavy. It's got a little curve in it already. I reckon that'll make a nice deck beam. Let's get that out, get that up there. The more it's been sitting here cooking in the sun, the more paint's been flaking. So I've scraped this back early days, right at the start of the build, and we haven't touched it since, and a whole nother layer of paint's flaking off from the heat. Pretty cool. I'll give it another good scrape down. We're going to give it a good buzz before we finish it, but just open this, get some breeze through, shall we? In this little hot box. But we're going to try and do as much as we can to this boat before we fully seal in that end. I mean, the main thing is get the engine in, which hopefully in the last half of this video or next week's video, I don't know yet, we're going to start working on that engine. So you probably saw in the last video that we've moved it into the shed to work on it. Finally. Alright, let's just trim out this little edge over here. Oh, she's a hot box. It's a hot box in here today. That's loud and fumey. Let's put a mask on and it's too hot, too hot, too damn hot. But anyway, what we've done is we've buzzed down all the little tips of the screws that were coming through that's holding the new decking stuff on. So we have got a lot of flex here. So we're going to run beam straight across through here. So that's our next step. We've cleaned all that up. We're going to get the beam, we'll mark the beam once we've cut it to size and made it all fit. And then we're going to mark on here where it's going. And we're going to just do a nice big clean of that area. I could possibly keep going with the clean, but there's other stuff I want to do up on the top. Main thing is get this in so that everything we do on the top from then on is fiberglassing at that shape. See, it's actually held that little bit of a lift that I did with the prop with the first glue, but that first glue obviously is just a little bit of stuff, one layer on top. It's not going to stop it from flexing, but the second layer we do of fiberglass, that's going to hold that shape a lot better. So, and the other thing I did is cleared all the old ply out of that little square there. That side's fine. This side a bit rotted, so we'll put a new piece into there and we'll fiberglass both sides of that just to fix it up. But that's just a little bit of support for that section of the deck and bracing for the boat, for the hull width. So, what do you reckon? Do you reckon our people's heads are going to be too close together there? You're going to be sick and tired of sleeping so close to someone, aren't you? And the GoPro just turned off again because it was too hot, but I did cut it. I've cut this end and that end. We've got our slide angle on it all. It is ready to go. So what I'm going to do is just go downstairs, bring it down there, do a little test fit and see where we've got to notch it to make it fit in the two sides. This is something I should have put in before I built all of this stuff. But I'm only doing it because I really liked the comment about doing it. I thought it was a great idea, and before I go any further, let's put it in. So thank you so much, you guys. 2,000 subscribers, all with good ideas, that's what I reckon. Now, can you go, see that's close, oh, that's close. And how's the curve on it? Oh, the curve's perfect. You know what? Once that goes in, that curve's pretty good. That's gonna hold that so strong. All right. How are we on this side? It's gonna go higher. Let's do that side first, actually. Let's knock that side out. Knock that up. I was at the timber yard the other day, just looking at some walnut and some other timbers there for another job. So anyway, when I went in there and had a look at the timbers, I saw this piece just sitting there. And I went, you know what is that, a 75 by 80 off cut with a bit of a bow in it. Oh, that'd be perfect. And so, very happy. I think they charged me $50 for this bit of timber. Bit of hardwood. All right, let's cut that. And we'll be right back. What's it? Yeah. We got a little notchy there. Oh, that's just gorgeous. You can see on this side, I don't have to notch out as much. Out you go. Stay. Go cut, come back. Notched, ready to go. So, because that notch is that side, it's not a very easy place to sit doing things. Let's bring the area that way. big beams. Now this end, because that's only notched on one side, we'll get that in first. And this one can come around, and I'll tell you what, that's slotted in well. This side's slotted in well. Let's give her a whack so we can mark it up, then we can take it out and sand it up and make it look nice. Because this is a feature beam in the bedroom. In the master! Too close, that way. Oh yeah. Actually. I just need a slight little wedge at either end. Whoa. Alright, let's give that a clean up. Oh. I started trying to clean some of the ceiling at the same time. That kills your arms. So I've just done the area that we need, got that flat and ground back so that when we put our epoxy paste in there, that'll grab to the fiberglass. Oh, it's tiring. And yeah, look, we've got a lot to do. There's always a lot to do. Well, let's just let this air out for a minute and we'll mix up a batch of epoxy. Yeah, great, alright. Here's our line. Yeah, we need to fix him right in the guts of you. Power tools are right where I was going to drill. I don't want to drill into our power tools. Feet on, now look, drill at the end. This fumed silica, carbosil, great, isn't it? Oh, beautiful. We've got plenty of paste. Don't like paste on my timber. Right. Now, I've got a little speck of paste on my timber. You slot it into there. Which means you have to go there. Oh, that's working pretty good. Oh, you're looking down here. Sorry. Look up. There somewhere. Right, so a bit of excess touched the roof here. So That's why we had excess. Just clean it off, make it flat. Once we screw that down, it's going to squish a little bit more out. We'll give it another clean. Make sure we've got it all. Okay. Let's get these fixings in before it goes off.